Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to flip text 90 degrees in PowerPoint table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to flip text 90 degrees. At first, go to the table slide. Now I am select the text. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the layout menu and select the text direction option. Then we can see here the rotate all text 90-degree option. Now I am select the option, then increase the row or the column wide or height. Now we can see we make the text 90-degree flip very easily. You can apply the same process in another text. Select the text again, select the text direction and make text 90-degree. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.